What's going on, everybody? My name's Danny Ferrari.
My name's Parker Immense.
We are Excellent Sound, and today we're going to be showing them how to do what, Parker?
We're going to be fucking bottle Swervice.
From Herobust, bitches.
Oh, yeah.
Let's yoy this bitch out.
Tear the club up.
Little tin can hats.
I'd like to see somebody do that better.
Damn.
I don't know if that's possible.
Yeah, Herobust.
We're going to be showing you guys today. We are XLNT Sound is our tag. If you guys are new here, if you like our content, please subscribe. Go ahead and go right now in the download description and get this mother effer. I'm not allowed to say bad words anymore. It sounds like this. Showing you guys how to make that. It is in the download description below. If you guys want the rest of the stuff, the screechies, which sound like this. We're not showing you guys how to do that today. That will be in the project file, which will be available in our Patreon. So if you're part of our Patreon, go check it out right now in the YouTube tier. If you want to join, it's $10. You get, if you just pay $10 right now, I think you get like 20 project files that are there back from November. So yeah, it's a pretty good deal. Even if you just want to join and dip.
Yeah, man.
At least you get 20 project files.
Exactly, 20. We also, if you guys like these kind of sounds, hybrid trappy stuff, we got a pack called CARTEL.
Fuck yeah, we do.
Instant classic, you guys. It's been out for about almost a year now, but we're about to drop CARTEL Volume 2.
So we got CARTEL 1 on sale right now, too.
Yes, on sale. CARTEL 1 is on sale right now. We're
Tons of
about
sounds
to drop
like this.
Volume 2.
Yes.
We're going to announce pre-sale pretty soon.
Very soon.
So keep your eyes out for that. We're going to have tons of presets in there, tons of samples, so keep your eye out.
Fuck yeah. Thank
Yeah.
you, Parker. You fucking killed that
welcome,
shit, dude.
dude.
So yeah, this will be a shorter video. We're just going to be showing you guys how to make the yoy. I'll go over some of the stuff that we did. We remake everything here, so if you guys like the samples, if you want the other presets, again, go to our Patreon and check that out. If you want more free content, go to our website at www.xlntsound.com. Is where you can get tons of project files, presets, and then we sell, of course, preset and sample packs. Another good pack that I'd like to recommend that you don't have a slide for is our SoundCloud packs. If you like hip hop and stuff, I was using that a ton while we were in China, man. It was so helpful, dude. I was like, fuck yeah, these things rule. Dude.
Yeah, dude, all the kicks are great.
I love it when we
hats.
use our packs, and I'm like, yeah, that's right. I fucking made this shit. Sounds great.
Yeah, exactly, dude.
So yeah, go check that out. And I think we also did, we did tons of prior videos where we did Little Xan, we did Post Malone, we did Little Pump, we did Tekashi 6ix9ine, and those project files are free. If you guys go to our YouTube and you guys go check those out. Totally free. So there's tons of free shit in there already for you to have. So if you guys want to get more free shit, go check that out as well. We are at xlntsound.com. What the fuck am I saying? I don't have any time.
Sub, dude.
Drop the sub, drop the like, get the fuck out of my face. Let's do this. I said a bad word.
Let's
fuck
fucking go.
What, Alex? What? Demonetize me, bro. Susan Paczynski, why don't you fucking kiss my ass?
Goddamn Susan.
Yeah, bro. We cuss on this channel. Sorry. I don't have time.
Dropping the mic, dude.
I don't have time to try to not cuss. I just clipped the mic.
All right.
Anyway.
No more peeking.
Got aggressive.
Bring it back down, guys.
I'm jet lagged. Okay, so some of the drum elements that we remade sound like this.
I'm taking a drink now
You hate
from
me,
the bottle
bro.
Swervice.
Yeah, take your bottle Swervice out, dude. These are what the drums sound like. Woo! Let's get that sub in there, actually, too. Woo! So this kick, nice little Herobust kick we made. Good old snares. Woo! Hi-hats. All that will be, again, and the samples will be in part of the Patreon. Let's see what else we got going on. Oh, the subgroup. People might want to know about the subgroup. We did the build right here. We got the vocals. We recorded those. So some of the sub lows. Just a really simple sub. Shout out FOMO with the FOMO sub. Yep. It's basically a sine wave, so I don't know why you'd put their name on it, but fuck.
Shout out FOMO.
Shout out FOMO for inventing the sine wave.
Fuck yeah, dude.
This is what it looks like.
Beautiful. We love that shit.
Other than that, the highs. This thing is fucking sick, though. Morgan taught me this shit. This shit sounds insane. Layered with the sub sounds really nice.
Buttes.
Go grab that
Butte
again
sub.
in the project file for the Patreon. So yeah, we're gonna be doing the yoy. So these are some of the elements in here, and then again the vocal stuff that's kind of happening.
Tear the club up.
You know, and then of course we got the build vocals. But that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and get into this yoy. It's a really simple sound. It should be really quick. I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this bad boy. Bam. I'm going to turn this bad boy off.
You gotta have the yoy on the one, dude.
Get the yoy on the one, dude. This sound has been like, this is, you know what's cool is so Herobust uses Reason. And a lot of other people use Reason. Snail uses Reasons. Our boy Styles and Complete.
Yep.
Shout out Styles and Complete. They fuck with us. We fuck with them. We fucking love you, Styles and Complete.
Dude.
But yeah, they're fucking awesome.
Get all reasoned out.
They're all reasoned out, dude. Whatever, dude. Susan Wojcicki can kiss my ass.
Susan.
Whatever, dude. So basically, this video is now demonetized. So if you guys could support us on Patreon, that'd be sick. Okay.
Oh god.
So yeah, this is a great sound, and Reason's got a lot of cool stuff. But you can do this in any DAW, and it's not really necessarily Serum that's doing it. It's more the processing. But don't worry, we got you covered if you're in Logic or not Pro Tools. Pro Tools, you just fucking go kill yourself.
Yeah. Exactly.
Shouldn't say that.
No, dude, there's a bunch of people producing on Pro Tools.
Dude.
Just takes them a little longer.
I'm
just
being
takes
an
a little,
ass.
you know.
All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I'm going to turn the processing off, and I'm going to go ahead and initialize the preset.
In it.
It's going to sound like this.
Tear the club up.
Ooh, that's snailsy.
Yeah, that is kind of dope.
And then I think
good.
processing on the drop group is just, yeah, it's just sidechain and utility. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this. We'll make this super quick. I don't have any time. I already ruined this video by cussing in it,
Yeah,
so
we gotta get out of here.
let's get out of here. Analog, basic shapes. You're going to choose a square wave, like so. Nailed it. It's going to sound like this. Right? Okay, level. All this is pretty much stock, except we're going to turn the random down. Okay, we want it to be the same time. We want it to do this. Start. F me, bro.
Slow it
Fudge.
down. Let's take a
I
breather
don't
here.
have time to slow down. So basically, what the random does is it's where the wave starts. So if you have the random up, it's going to start at different points of the sound wave.
Every time, and when it's down, it starts in the same place, right?
Starts in the beginning.
Here we
All
go,
right.
dude.
So basically, yeah, just turn, put on a basic shapes for a square wave, turn the random down, level up. That's fine. Just leave it stock. Okay. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add a filter. It's going to be an MG Low 12. We're going to both make sure that A is going to it, and that's all that really matters, because we're going to turn the resonance all the way up like so. Right? And then the cutoff is going to be at 540 toots. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in. 540 toots. You could use a key tracking for that too, but don't use it for this case. Okay, next we're gonna go ahead and put on mono, like so, and then we're gonna use effects. Oh no, we have a sub oscillator. Okay, we got a sub oscillator. It's not doing anything. Don't add it. Never mind.
Yeah, forget it.
Yeah, I think it was trying to make
Set
other
it and
shit.
forget it.
All right, effects, compressor, multiband. Bam. Threshold, turn it down to 12.5 minus 12.5.
Boom.
Cool. Race, leave it where it's at. Attack, leave it where it's at. Release, where it's at. Gain, where it's at. They're like, dude, that doesn't sound like it. Yeah, it doesn't sound like it yet, but just wait, okay?
We're getting there, guys.
So you could do hyperdimension now if you want to, but we did it. We're using Serum effects in this, but if you want to do it now, it's totally fine. I mean, you could just spread it or whatever. You're like, hey, dude, that doesn't sound like it. Don't worry, we're gonna get there. Yeah. Another thing that you could do to slow your roll, bro,
your roll, guys.
is you could we're using what's called a bit crusher or bit redux to get that yoy. They have a version in distortion. It's called downsample. That's essentially what's doing it, but we're not going to use that. I'm saying you could do it in Serum if you wanted to. We're going to do it a better way using Ableton.
Ableton.
All right, so let's turn the master up too. Yeah, turn it right there. Okay, cool. All right, now let's go ahead and get into the processing, because that's pretty much it. All right, so for the processing, guys, it's pretty simple. I'm just going to go one by one here and show you what's happening. So the bit reduction or downsample is what we are using here. This is a really cool distortion plugin. I use it a lot on like basses and other sounds just to get some extra texture.
Yeah.
What we're doing here is we're automating the downsample rate. Right?
Yoy.
I think let me make sure I got the automation right.
It's kind of a cool evolution of the yoy too.
Yeah,
you know?
for sure
It's
it
like
is.
Herobust's twist on like
Yeah.
the dubstep yoy.
Exactly. So we have the bit reduction set to 12, okay, and then the downsample is set to 36. So what it's doing is it's just pretty much staying at 36 the whole time. Actually, I think is that what's happening here? Yeah, it is. Okay, good. Making sure. So yeah, just go ahead and set it to 36 and 12. I don't know. I guess maybe it's not automating. I forgot. Okay. Next, we're gonna go ahead and open up Serum Effects. Wait. Yeah. Okay. So next, go ahead and load up a Serum Effects. It's just going to be a hyper dimension. Right? Okay, so add a hyperdimension, turn the mix down on the left to 18%, and then dimension down, and then mix at 54. Okay, still doesn't sound like it yet. Don't worry, we're getting there. Next, we're going to go ahead and add an OTT. OTT is going to be pulled up. So pretty stock, pull up the highs, pull up the lows, and turn it to 100%, output at 10. Super loud. Let me turn that down. Wait, maybe not. We're going to go ahead and use EQ for that. Okay, EQ, go ahead and low cut and shelf like so. Low cut here, I like 147 hertz. Pull the highs up at 1.86. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and add a saturator. Okay, saturate at 3 dB, dry wet all the way up. Now it's like, hey, it doesn't sound like it. It's because I'm forgetting something. What did I forget to do, Parker? Forgot something, bro.
Let's see.
Envelopes are good.
You know, I was thinking that it's the MIDI note. Or here, try hitting the arrow back for the automation.
Oh.
I think you didn't hit
Duh.
that. Yeah, there it is, bud.
Sorry. Okay, so I forgot to mention this. Okay, so what we're doing, okay, now you could do this with an LFO. So this is the whole part of the sound. The filter cutoff. This cutoff is moving. Okay, you could make an LFO to do that if you wanted to. So the way you would do that is once we have this set up and now we have the bit reduction, which is creating that yoy, okay? The cutoff we're gonna automate from, what was the point? From 139. Oh, I hate it when it
542.
So from 542, right? Let me move that. Damn it. Oh god, it's falling apart.
It's falling apart.
Okay, so we're automating. So from 542 or 53% for this automation lane. So 139, watch it go down. 542 to 139 right here. If I move this lower, it's the sweet spot, guys, is what you're looking for. Now what I could also do if I wanted to, okay? If I did not want to draw the automation, I could do it in Serum, I believe. I just want to get it exact. So I want to copy this shape, right? So I'm going to go ahead. Can I bypass this?
Yeah.
I can, right? Can
Yeah,
I
you
bypass
can,
this automation lane?
Yeah,
I guess I can hit the arrow, right?
Yeah.
If I touch it. Okay, so what you could do essentially is instead of having... Yeah, there we go. So instead of it not moving, I'm going to go ahead and move this back to 543, right? If you want to just do it this way, you can. 544. And I'm just going to draw an LFO like so and set its trigger. And I'm going to pull it to go backwards. I just want it to be faster.
Yeah, do like
an envelope. I'm doing it the wrong way. So this needs to go here.
Yeah, finding that sweet spot.
Yeah, find that sweet spot. And it depends on how you use this too. So yeah, the point is that essentially you could do it with an LFO too, but as you could see, if I remove this, I'm going to go ahead and put this back to where it goes, which is what, Parks?
535s.
535s. Turn back our automation on. Sounds a lot better because you could dial it in a little bit more with the automation lane. Other than that, that's pretty much it, guys. It's a pretty simple sound. I don't know. I've seen other people try to attempt it. I've seen people get close. But what we do here is we try to be the best remakes that you could totally find on YouTube, the most accurate.
Excellent, guys.
Hopefully you guys are learning a ton. Hopefully you like this, enjoy this short content. Also, too, don't forget, we want to mention, too, before I leave, that we are doing a contest for CARTEL Volume 2 that we will be announcing. So if you guys want to check that out, make sure you guys go check out our Discord.
Yes, join the Discord. We got the link down below.
Yeah, and keep an eye out, too, because we will be announcing pre-sale, too, and you don't want to miss that because we're going to be a lot of extra special goodies.
A
as
lot
far
of
as
bonus
price.
goodies, guys.
Exactly. So let's go ahead and play. Let's tear the club out, bro.
Let's tear the club up.
Is that what he says?
Yeah, tear the
Okay.
club up.
We'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much. I went over everything, right?
Yeah.
Make sure you guys subscribe. We are Excellent Sound. We love you. Shout out Xander. Sorry for cussing, dude. Shout out FOMO for the simple sub they gave us.
Club up.